have a few minutes to spare, we're going to do some couch crawling. We're using the Atlas 6x6. It's already making noise, so we're going to use that. I've modified it to give it a control that has the gears 1 to 3 reverse. So I changed the ESC and the control for it to be more diverse. So let's see whether it's going to work. So now we do a 3-point turn. It's more like a 16-point turn. Let's see whether it will make it there. Oh, that's one way of going up there. Oh, nice, nice. You see that? Each axle is independent in the movement, so it has 6 wheels. They can move independently, but it's nice. It's plastic but easy. You can use it in the house or if you just crawling around. So I was able to modify it. I can show you the inside of it. So I was able to take out the original ESC, and then I was able to change also the connection for the battery, so that I can be able to use the small LiPo batteries. So I still have to modify the point where the lights go in. Yeah, but that's it. It's easy. It's magnetic clip to clip on. Then you have it on, and then you can have the lights on, and that's it. So maybe I'll modify it a little bit more. Maybe look for a couple of nice shocks, but it's a very easy car to run. The complicated thing would be the remote. As you can see, I have the steering, I have the reverse, I have gear 1 to 3. And then the throttle speed, and then the same, you can change the throttle speed from crawling to now if you just want to run it on a normal road. So in most of the cases, if you're on gear 3, you cannot reverse. You see now, if I push it to reverse, it cannot reverse. But once I go back to gear 1, then it's able to go, and then you can reverse slowly. I do like it a lot. Now I cannot go up, I have to put gear 2. Yes, smooth and steady. Oh, nice. Now I have to change it to gear 1 and reverse. Oh, it almost fell. Huh. And then the braking system for it to stop is quite good. So also with the rocks, I think it will be the same. If you just give it, once you know how to control it, it becomes easy. The return. Such a cool RC. Very nice. Now, time for photo shoot. So that's the car itself. So probably I'll do some weathering on it. But all in all, it's a very light RC car. It's the Atlas 6x6. That's it. That was fun. I really enjoyed that.